Hello everyone! Look what we got here for today. A full and perfectly unboxing of Dior Sauvage. The EDT, the Eau de Toilette version. And look how perfectly this is. We got lots of seals, lots of information, and the information that someone see as useful, saying that this is that you can use it to refill your decanter, right? And look how perfectly this is packaged, and I'm highlighting the perfection of this because lots of small brands nowadays doesn't have this care about how they are packing the box, right? But that's not what we got here. We got perfection here. And look the box, the quality of the paper and the quality of the print, the quality of how it presents to the audience, how clear are the writing and the information regarding the ingredients. And you guys must be careful with ingredients because from time to time this big designer brands, they are changing their ingredients, so you won't be trapped, right? But so far mesmerized with the way it presents. Dior Sauvage is perfect, you know. I've already tested a decanter of this fragrance and I felt in love with it, right? And now I'm gonna pull it up for you guys. We got this B right in the tap, okay? I don't know what is the meaning of that B. Maybe this is something related to the ESG subject, to the environmental protection. I'm not sure, I guess. And here is the jewel. Look how beautiful this bottle is. This looks like as a jewel, as a look at the shade. Look how perfectly the shade uh, merges with the dark side, with the light side, and look how polished the bottle is. It's very beautiful, and I can feel that the cap is very tough as well. This looks like very heavy, and this sounds as a expensive fragrance as it is, and it works the way it presents. It's a show, right? So we got other fragrances here, but for today, we got the entire spotlight over Sauvage from Dior House, okay? And here highlighting the bottle again, and let's take it off. Let's take the cap. There is an image in the air. It's very well made and it's strong. You can pull and you can grab the entire bottle. Did you hear that? This is very powerful. All right, guys. So the smell, maybe you guys already know the smell, and if not, go to a store and try it out. Try through a decanter, and you guys will love it. It's for a hot day. It has a bergamot. It has acid. It has amber, and it has all a man has to have for a very good day. To know a little bit better about this fragrance, go to this Fragrantica website, and here you're gonna find what are the main accords of this fragrance. The fresh spice, amber, and citrus is what most catches my attention here. And look, this is a fragrance for the day, for the night, for autumn, for all seasons along the year. You know, the summer and even the spring. And here we have the top notes, the Calabrian bergamot, which is a very citrusy, the pepper, which is very good. There are two kinds of pepper in there. The lavender is also a very good thing. Uh, in reality three kinds of pepper, right? And the patchouli and the elemi is something that real catches our attention, and the base notes that will last all day long, especially the cedar and the amber sun that will captivate everyone's attention around you, and make sure to use that for your inner circle. Otherwise, you won't disturb people and you will get their attention and their compliments. So, cheers for this fragrance and good luck on your choice.